Hi, y'all. Welcome back to Misty's Pleasures of Life and good old home Southern cooking and baking. I hope everybody is having a great weekend. The weather here is chilly, but it is sunny and nice. Y'all, this recipe I'm sharing with you today is a great breakfast hack recipe. It is a breakfast hack using Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. It is so good, y'all. Like, you will not believe what I turned Pillsbury cinnamon rolls into. It is an amazing breakfast. So y'all stay tuned. Watch till the end. And y'all don't forget to comment and let me know what you think. My family loved this recipe and I want to share it with you.
Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
All right, y'all. We have our can of peach pie filling open, and we have opened our 2 cans of Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, and we are going to decide how many cinnamon rolls we need to roll into a ball for our waffle maker to make a delicious peach cinnamon waffle. So that is what we are doing right here, and we will go through this step by step together. Okay, y'all, we are simply opening the little cans of the cinnamon icing that came with those Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, and we are putting that into a bowl, and we are going to mix it up with some powdered sugar and some vanilla extract and some other stuff, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But that's what we're starting to do.